Hello chess friends. Like and subscribe to enjoy more games like this. Pawn to b3.
This is a book move. The opening is called Nimzo-Larsen Attack, Indian variation.
Bishop to b2 is best. This defends a rook on a1. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal.
Pawn to d5 is best.
Pawn to e3 is best.
Pawn to c5 is excellent. Pawn to e6 is best.
Knight to f3 is the best move.
Knight to c6 is good. This offers a trade. This blocks a check to the king with a piece. This develops a knight. Bishop to d7 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the bishop. This blocks a check to the king with a piece. This develops a bishop.
Knight to f3 is best. This develops a knight.
Pawn to a6 is good. This attacks the bishop. Bishop to d7 is best. This develops a bishop.
Bishop captures on c6 check is the best move.
Pawn captures on c6 is best.
Knight to e5 is the best move.
Queen to c7 is best. This defends a pawn on c6.
Kingside castle is good. Pawn to f4 is best.
Pawn to g6 is good. Pawn to a5 is best.
Knight to d3.
Bishop to g7 is best. This defends a rook on height. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal.
Bishop to e5 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to a5 is the best move.
Knight to c3 is the best move.
Kingside castle is good. Pawn to c4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the knights.
Rook to b1 is good. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Knight to a4 is best.
Bishop to f5 is the best move.
Bishop captures on g7 is best. This is a trade.
King captures on g7 is best.
Queen to c1.
King to g8 is good. Pawn to a5 is best.
Queen to f3 is the best move.
Pawn to a5 is best. This offers a trade.
Queen to a4.
Queen to c7 is best. This defends a pawn on c6.
Queen to h4.
Pawn to e5 is good. Queen to d6 is best. This defends a pawn on s7.
Queen to e7.
Bishop to a6 is mistake. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can win a tempo. The opponent can play next c5. Pawn to f6 is best.
Knight captures on c5.
Bishop captures on f1 is inaccuracy. This move leaves bishop hanging on pawn. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can play next d7. Rook to a7 is best. This defends a queen on c7. This develops a rook.
Knight captures on d7 is the best move.
Rook from file f to c8 is good. This defends a queen on c7. Rook from file to c8 is best. This defends a queen on c7. This develops a rook.
Rook captures on f1 is excellent. This captures a free bishop. Knight to f6 check is best.
Rook to a7 is best. This develops a rook.
Knight to f6 check is the best move.
King to h8 is the best move.
Queen captures on c7 is best. This is a trade.
Rook from file captures on c7.
Knight to a4 is good. Knight to g4 is best. This attacks the pawn.
King to g7 is best. This attacks the knight. By moving the king off the back rank, the risk of back rank mate threats is reduced and improved the king's safety.
Knight to g4 is best. This attacks the pawn.
Rook to e8.
Pawn to f4 is good. This offers a trade. Pawn to f3 is best. This defends a knight on g4.
Pawn to f6.
Pawn captures on e5 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on e5 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn to e4 is the best move.
Pawn to e4 is the best move.
Knight to f6.
Rook from file e to e7 is best. This defends a rook on c7.
Pawn to g4 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to h4 is good. Pawn captures on g4 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn to g5 is best.
Pawn to e4 is the best move.
King to g2 is best. By moving the king off the back rank, the risk of back rank mate threats is reduced and improve the king's safety.
Pawn to e4 is the best move.
Knight to g4 is best.
Rook to f7 is mistake. The opponent can play an Essex plus. Rook to h8 is best. This defends a pawn on h4. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Knight to e6 check is best. This defends a pawn on g5. The game is over. White wins.